This is my holiday hairstyle. I woke up very excited, very happy. I know I don't look like it, but trust me, I was feeling good. These are the items we'll be using. We have gel, we have edge control, we have the brushes, we have water, we have the shoelace, you know, the drill. But let's just get straight into it. So the first thing I do is I gently detangle all my hair and comb through, guys. We are being soft, we are being gentle, no stress allowed. So we just comb that hair up through softly until it looks good. Also, I'm using my favorite detangler just to help make my hair feel soft even as I'm combing it through. Next, I spray water on my hair. I don't know what it is about this, but I just love this part. Then gel, and yes, we are going in with the shoe brush because that's a real MVP, guys. Quick question for you. What gel do you use on your natural hair? You can just comment on the comment section so that I know the one that you use to make your hair look sleek and easy. Also, do you use an edge brush, hard brush, toothbrush, or do you use a shoe brush like me? Anyway, back to the hair. After brushing and making everything very smooth, I now go and use a shoelace and just try and tie that hair up. If it's not smooth enough, we brush again, period. But you've seen, and then I keep that part away and now come to the front part. I'll be using these pins, and that is why I was showing you. And then a little gel in the front. We start with a little gel and then we smoothen that up using our shoe brush again, just to make sure everything is going on very well. And then we do the first twist, just the flat twist. I have a video where I'm showing you how to do the flat twist. You can watch it here. And after that, we continue till the flat twist come together. Then the second twist, nice, neat, and defined again. Up, it will look good. Then the head scarf on. We wait 5 minutes, and that is the hairstyle, guys. I'm always in awe of how this hairstyle looks. Oh my god, guys, if you're already loving this, please hit the like. It just really supports my channel. So normally I'll just stop right here, but today we are switching it up. We are adding an extension, or a ponytail as some of you call it. So this one is super easy to install because it has a little gap. I'll be showing you here. So I just slide it on, tie it up, and that's it. Look at how this hair looks like. Looks like your natural, beautiful hair. I love this extension. And now my favorite part, you add accessories, guys. Accessorize your hair at all times. And look at that hair. It's cute, it's festive, it's giving Christmas, New Year. Anyway, to finish, I lightly spray my hair so it smells good, because smelling nice is part of the look. Okay. So thank you for watching, guys. If this video taught you something or helped you, please leave a thumbs up. Also, watch up the next video where I show you how to do mini braids. Bye bye.